1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 20.
Generate 3D animated talking avatars using Canva. Come along with me. Once you're on canva.com, on the home, go down to apps. When you get to apps, just click on apps. It will now bring you to this section of the Canva, where you can select any form of app you want to work on, any kind of tool you want to work on, especially if you want to generate 3D animation using Canva. As you can see, Kriki AI Animate, generate 3D animated talking avatars. So I click on it. It will now bring us to this very interface. Kriki AI Animate. Engage your audience with 3D animated avatars. So I'll have to click on use new design. So once I click on use new design, I'll scroll down to the one that I will prefer to use. Okay, let me see anyone that I will prefer to use. Okay, let's go back to that of Facebook. So we'll click on Facebook post. So it's coming up. Just hold on for a while. Hold on. So at this point, the avatars are up. Okay. As you can see, all the avatars. You can see this button. You can use this one. A whole lot of avatars you can use. A whole lot of them. So let's bring up any one of our choice. Let's say, for example, that we're doing a witchcraft kind of animation. So we choose this avatar. Then we'll now go for the video, the kind of stuff we want it to do. So we've selected this one. So this is what we want it to say. Okay. Hello, welcome to my presentation. So you can put it on standard or enhanced. You can put it in English or any language you prefer. It has Arabic, has Cantonese, it has this Catalan, Danish, Dutch, English, Finnish, French, German, and the rest of them. So I'll leave it at English. So let the accent be, is it South African? Let me see if I would say, okay, there is British, there is Australian, there is Indian. Okay, let's leave it at South African accent. And there is a professional voice already there. So we can let's generate the video. So let's hold on while it generates the video. So at this point, it has been generated. Let's play it and
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation today.
so we can go ahead and create as much as possible. Let me bring it
Hello,
bigger.
everyone. Welcome to my presentation today.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation today.
You can go ahead and type in the prompt. Life is beautiful. So once you're done putting in the prompts, you click on generate. Then you wait for it to generate. You can go ahead and create a second page by clicking add page. This is the first video we created. and this is the second. So let's play it.
Life is beautiful. Hello, everyone.
So we're
Welcome
playing
to
it.
my presentation today. Life is beautiful. Make the best use of your time every blessed day. Any action you did not take now will be carried over to the next phase of your life. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation today. Life is beautiful. Make the best use of your time every blessed day. Any action you did not take now will be carried over to the next phase of your life.
So we are generating the third animation. We generated the first one, a woman, this woman that is dancing here. We generated the second one. This is the first one.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my presentation today.
This is second animation.
Make the best use of your time every blessed day. Any action you did not take now will be carried over to the next.
So this is the third one. The third one is about nursery. It's related to generating videos for nursery rhymes and numbers. Okay, so we add it to the third page so we can conclude this video. We're adding it to the third page. We'll expand it. After expanding it, now preview.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my
These are
presentation
the old
today.
videos.
Life is beautiful.
These are the old videos.
Make the best use of your time every blessed day. Any action you did not take now will be carried over to the next phase of your life. Hello, everyone. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.